everyone, in this video we're going to show you how to fix FIFA Mobile network timeout issue. If you're receiving this kind of an error message while trying to log in or access your FIFA Mobile account, then this is network related problem. So in order to fix that, the first thing to do is to make sure that you have a stable and a strong internet connection. Try switching between your Wi-Fi or your cellular data and find the best connection for yourself to see if the issue persists. If the problem still continues, you can try and restart the application and the device. Swipe from the bottom of the page and swipe up the FIFA Mobile applications card. This will force close the application. Now, go ahead and press the power switch of your iPhone or your Android device and slide the power button at the top of the screen or simply switch off your phone. Now, reboot your device and enter your passcode, and after you are done, go and tap open FIFA Mobile app and see if that fixes the issue. If it still doesn't work, the next thing you can do is to reset your network setting. From your iOS device, open up the Settings app. Once you do that, scroll down and tap on General. Now, scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. At the bottom of the page, tap on Reset and tap on Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode to confirm, but remember that this will reset your network-related settings, so make sure you have your Wi-Fi passwords handy. After resetting your network settings, go back to the FIFA Mobile application and launch it open, and you might be able to fix your issue right away. Those were some of the fixes you could try out if you're going through the FIFA Mobile network timeout issue. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back soon with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.